What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We done finally made it back to the city. Well, back in our country. But I had so much fun, man. I really enjoyed myself. Y'all know I'm always working, doing so much. So it's amazing to step away from that everyday life and enjoy everything I've been working for and just take a break, you know, because we always doing everything we're doing every day. So that was amazing. But it's back to reality. Time to get back to work, get back in the garage and make everything happen. So I'm going to update y'all with everything. We got a lot of merch in the mail. It's not everything. I'm waiting on the rest of my patches and the hats. We got all the keychains in. So everyone that haven't received theirs will receive it in the next few days. So understand that. If you haven't received your merch, you're going to get it in the next few days. I have to say it twice because y'all going to comment and email me regardless still after this video. But it's all good. We're going to get to the bottom of it regardless. But anyway, man, we got everything on the way. Like I said, we got our patches and our hats on the way. As soon as I get those later this week, all the merch will be sent out. We are almost sold out. We got about 5 spots left for those last 5 patches for the 20 spots at $25. So get in to win it. Once y'all fill that in, I'm going to sell out and trying to give everybody a chance because once we sell out, it's going to take me at least like 2 to 3 days to finish this list. So I want to make sure I got everything 100% accurate so everyone can have everything on there. Because at the end of the day, the merch and all that is cool, but you already know y'all want the numbers on there on point. So that's the main goal we have to stay focused on at the end of the day. So with that being said, get in to win it while you can. We are giving away our silver bullet giveaway, y'all. We got first place with our 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with our 2019 Road Glide Special. That truck is a gas truck. Everybody always asks me, is it gas or diesel? It's a gas truck with the lift kit. It's like a 8 or 10 inch lift kit on that truck with 22 by 1250s, 35s on that joint. So you're going to be lifted in there, ready to go, climbing over all that stuff, sliding. I'm telling you, it's good. All you got to do is get in and win it, man. You're going to have a truck and a bike. We got the 2019 Road Glide. You already know we didn't powder coated the frame. We got that custom wet paint. We got the bars. We got the custom 23 and 18 we picking up this week. And most importantly, we finally got our motor 100% complete. Shout out to my boy Ali, Fool with a 2. If y'all don't know, now you know. Follow him on YouTube. He just got his page going, so make sure you subscribe to my boy. Besides that, we got second place for our 2015 Road Glide Special, man. We got it powder coated with the purple frame, the color washers, chrome Allens. Everything is about to look good. We got that paint on the way. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I was going to do that candy wet purple, but I don't even want to play the games right now because we already got 2 different purples between the frame and a washer. So I'm going to play it safe and do my first idea. Y'all going to see when it's done. It's going to still look good and amazing. But just know everything is going to be complete this week. So everything could be to the winners when we go live. So understand that. I'm trying to sell out ASAP. So if y'all could sell out literally today or Saturday, we can go live literally this weekend. So understand that. I'm trying to make everything happen, get it on the way because it's game time. It's been a long time coming. But y'all got to understand, it's a lot invested into this to make it happen. Like I said, we started off with just a truck and a bike. I added a whole nother bike with way more goodies and all that. So understand that. A lot of this take more time, but I've been trying to speed everything up and get it better and better. You already know, man. We're trying to elevate our game every day and get better at what we doing 24/7. That's why we got to keep applying pressure, growing with everything we doing so we can keep making it to the top, man. But like I said, get into winning while you can. We slide, not hide, and we about to go ahead, go to the dyno shop, go get the Road King. We got to go ahead and do that. I got to package these orders and it's a few other things, but most importantly, tomorrow we got to go to LA and get our powder coat from the powder coat shop. We got to go pull up on Antonio, check on that paint, and most importantly, go to the rim shop. So understand that, y'all. Get in to win it. The faster y'all support, the faster y'all can get these items in y'all hands. So understand that. You $25 away right now from entering the win. Get you a slide and not hide and patch at $25 for 20 spots. I'm telling you, get in to win it while you can. We got about 5 spots left, so get in to win it while you can. Like I said, after that, we selling out and it's done. So understand that, man. We sliding, not hiding. got so many orders packaged up and sent out. We got all the labels on the floor. We got some more keychains we're still doing. We got all the things we ripped off right there. We just did all these keychains. The patches have not arrived. They should arrive either today or tomorrow, and then the hats will be right after that. So stay tuned. We're gonna have all this merch sent out this week so we can go live and give everything away. But y'all see what's going on. We got the box empty, about to fill it back up and go from there. Yes, sir. On the way. They on the way. Yes, sir. That's not all of them. We're about to go back to the house and finish. We done finally made it to the dyno shop. I'm about to lower that. Yes, sir. We up in this joint. Got the bike right here. What's going on, man? This thing. Oh, my bad. Nah, it's good, man.
You get it up there?
I need some help, but I can get it up there for sure. Yes, sir. We got this shit loaded up, man. Got it A1. Shout out to them, man. We almost got it. Yes, sir. We finally got the bike off the truck in the garage, but it's not about to be for long because I'm already tight. I have no space already, and I need these bikes going. So we're about to literally try to figure out this handlebar situation with the wires. If it's not that and I can't do it, we're about to just take it back to the owner because we got way too much going on. This shit is all enough right now. I'm telling y'all, I need this giveaway over. I need these bikes complete so it could be on to the next thing. I had a whole new bike coming, so we need all this shit to be on the way, cleared out, so we can do what we got to do to get to the next level. But stay tuned for that. This thing is about to be sliding. I know my boy is beyond anxious, but hey, building these bikes, man, everything is not gonna be perfect. That's why you gotta be mindful of what you get, how you get it, and the way things are, because you never know what's gonna come and how things can happen, for real, because these bike stuff is unpredictable, y'all, for real. What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We finally made it back to the office after running around, getting an order sent out, getting that Road King picked up, finally dropped off in the garage, and I had to make some more runs because we had to get these labels for these orders for the rest of y'all who haven't received any of the keychains, patches, or hats. So understand that. All the keychains will be sent out within the next few hours. So understand, if you have not received yours, it's on the way right now. All the patches should be arriving within the next hours tomorrow or Saturday for sure. So understand that. Everything is going to be sent out. We're basically sold out finally for the Silver Bullet giveaway. If you have not entered to win, this is literally your last minute and the last call right now. All you have to do is literally go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com, grab you a SLIDN, not HIDN patch for $25, get you 20 spots. Like I said, we got first place, 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with our 2019 ROADGLIDE. We finally got the motor done, literally picking up the wheels this week. So understand that. Second place, we got our 2015 ROADGLIDE finally about to be complete. Fresh paint, everything is powder coated up, color washers, all that. So understand that. We got everything on the way getting done. We finally just came back from our trip, having a blast. So it's time to get this working, get everything done and on the way. You already know the paint is in Antonio's, the rims at the rim shop. All we gotta do is go pick them up, make sure everything is 100%, and all the bikes are going to be complete. But like I said, we are finally sold out. We're going to be going live this week. The only thing is, I know my boy going live Friday 6, so I can't interfere with that. We're going to either go live Saturday this weekend. If not Saturday, then like Monday or Tuesday. Only reason why I'm not sure yet is because I still have to finish the list of the names and numbers, and I'm trying to get everything 100% accurate for everybody to be on the same board and have everything they need. So understand that. Everybody getting their products on the way, but the main thing at the end of the day is having those numbers and the names on point. So that's why I said we're going to sell out, have it finally finished and over with. But at the same time, we got a last few spots for anybody want to get in the last moment, because once it's done, it's done. So understand that, y'all. We sliding, not hiding. But like I said, we're about to get back to these packages, get them sent out and on the way, man. So I appreciate everybody for all the support, all the patience and everything, because it's been a long time coming. But y'all got to understand, I can't just let it go for nothing. I done got a lot of money invested in both of these bikes in that truck, so it had to make sense at the end of the day. Business is business. But like I said, we sliding, not hiding, y'all.